Madam President, I'm proud to present to you candidates for graduation for the College of Engineering Technology with their respective area of specialization. 28 Automotive Engineering Technology, 18 Chemical Engineering Technology, 41 Electrical Engineering Technology, 75 Electronics Engineering Technology, 80 Mechanical Engineering Technology, 20 Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Engineering Technology, 36 Electromechanical Engineering Technology, and 25 Computer Engineering Technology. They are waiting for your confirmation, ma'am.
Madam President, it is with great pride and honor that I present to you the candidates for graduation of TUP Visayas at Sagay City. For Automotive Engineering Technology, we have 24 candidates. And for Electronics Engineering Technology, we have 18 candidates. Awaiting for your confirmation, ma'am.
The confirmation of the candidates for graduation will be done by Dr. Adora S. Pili, TUP President.
By the power vested in me by the Board of Regents of the Technological University of the Philippines, I now confirm you as graduates.
Thank you very much, Madam President. Now you can be called graduates. Everyone, please give our graduates a big round of applause. You may now be seated. We are very honored and privileged to have a very distinguished guest. He will be formally introduced to us by our very own TUP Visayas Campus Director. Please welcome Dr. Maria Leonor F. Valedor.